honor and my privilege to introduce Bank of India's management team present here, which is spearheaded by our MD and CEO, Sir Shri Rajneesh Karnatak ji. He is flanked by our executive directors, Shri P.R. Rajgopal sir, Shri Subrat Kumar sir, Shri Rajiv Mishra sir, and Shri Pramod Dwivedi sir. Ladies and gentlemen, we also have the presence of our other senior bank officials here today. We'll now commence the press conference. I would like to invite Shri Rajneesh Karnatak sir to address this gathering, after which we will open the question and answer session. Over to you, sir.
Thank you for joining us today on the eve of publication of our bank's financial results for FY25-26. This year has been another significant milestone in our bank's journey, marked by resilient financial performance, significant asset quality, robust business growth, and continued commitment towards the nation building. Despite global uncertainties, geopolitical tensions, evolving interest rate cycles, and the changing regulatory expectations, the Indian economy has demonstrated remarkable resilience. In this backdrop, our bank has continued to play a very proactive role in supporting the economic growth and maintaining the financial stability and prudent risk management. During the year, bank has recorded healthy growth across key parameters including deposits, advances, operating profit, and digital transactions. Our focus remained on calibrated credit growth and emphasis on quality underwriting, sectoral diversification, and responsible lending practices. My speech is in three parts today. The first part is with respect to the institutional initiatives that we have taken. The second part is with respect to the business initiatives. Third part and the final thing being the profitability and the asset quality that the bank has maintained. On the institutional initiatives, the bank is establishing zonal collection deposit centers at the zonal offices to accelerate the CASA accretion and its market share. This initiative is designed to ensure long-term retail stability, to foster deeper and more meaningful customer relationships as far as the resources are concerned. The bank has integrated the Umang app, which is a Government of India app, with our own Bank of India Omni Neo platform, creating a one-stop digital solution for the wide range of central and state government services. This strategic partnership with the National E-Governance Division allows our customers to conveniently access essential public services through a streamlined redirection of model directly with our banking applications. The third part is with respect to the bank has launched the Bharat Connect Biller operating services, enabling corporate customers to onboard themselves to the billers and offer their customers diverse digital payment options and solutions. This initiative enhances digital reach and streamlines the collection processes, enabling a more convenient and efficient payment experience for all the stakeholders. The bank has established dedicated MSME desk helplines also to address the borrowers' concern directly. This initiative facilitates the structured regular interaction, enhancing the transparent and responsive grievance redressal mechanism for our MSME partners. The second part with respect to the business, the global business has grown by 14.57% on a YOY basis from 14.83 lakh crores in March 25 to 16.98 lakh crores in March 26 with an incremental growth of 2.16 lakh crores. The global deposits have increased by 13.56% on a YOY basis from 8.17 lakh crores in March 25 to 9.27 lakh crores in March 26 with an incremental growth of 1.1 lakh crores. The deposits increased by 14.30% YOY basis, which is domestic deposits, from 7 lakh crores in March 25 to 8 lakh crores as on March 26. CASA has increased on a YOY basis from 2.8 lakh crores to 3.01 lakh crores in FY26 with an incremental growth of more than 20,000 crores in March 26, and the CASA ratio stands at 37.64%. Global gross advances have increased by 15.82% on a YOY basis from 6.66 lakh crores in March 25 to 7.71 lakh crores in March 26 with an incremental growth of 1.05 lakh crores. Domestic gross advances have increased by 16.10 lakh crores on a YOY basis from 5.64 lakh crores in March 25 to 6.54 lakh crores in March 26. RAM advances have also increased by 19.11% on a YOY basis from 3.23 lakh crores in March 26 to 3.84 lakh crores in March 26, constituting 56.74% of the advances as on March 26. As regards the profitability and the asset quality is concerned, operating profit has increased by 4% on a YOY basis and stood at more than 17,000 crores for FY26 as against 16,400 crores in FY25, and for Q4 26 stood at rupees 5,026 crore with a YOY growth of nearly 3%. Net profit has increased by 14% on a YOY basis and stood at 10,527 crores for FY26 as against 9,219 crores in FY25, and for Q4 FY26 stood at 3,016 crores, witnessing a YOY growth of nearly 15%. Net interest income has increased by 3% on a YOY basis and stood at 25,172 crores for FY26 as against 24,394 crores in FY25, and rupees for Q4 26 stood at 6,630 crores as against 6,063 crores in Q4 FY25. The non-interest income has increased by 10% on a YOY basis and stood at 9,874 crores for FY26 as against 5,994 crores in FY25. Global NIM has stood at 2.52% as against 2.82% in FY25. Slippage ratio stood at 0.83% in FY26 as against 1.36% in FY25. Credit cost has improved to 0.48% in FY26 as against 0.76% in FY25. There has been an improvement in the asset quality with reduction in both gross NPA ratio and net NPA ratio. The gross NPA ratio has improved by 129 basis points on a YOY basis to 1.98% only in FY26, and net NPA has improved by 26 basis points on a YOY basis to 0.56% in FY26. The provision coverage ratio, which we call the PCR, has improved to 93.57% in March 26 as against 92.39% in March 25. As on 31/3/26, bank CRAR has improved to 18.01% from 17.09% in 31/3/2025. In alignment with the prevailing global economic conditions and guidance for the global advances growth will be at around 15 to 16% for FY27, and the global deposit rate guidance shall be at around 13 to 14%. The bank's primary focus will be on strengthening its deposit franchise and a higher share in low-cost funds while driving growth in high-yielding advances to support the margins. Additionally, focused efforts on maintaining the balanced CD ratio and enhancing the return on assets will drive stronger financial performance. Investment in digital infrastructure and cyber security will continue to enhance our efficiency and resilience in the bank. Together, these actions will enable measured expansion for the business and reinforce the long-term value creation for all our stakeholders. The detailed annual report being released will provide comprehensive insight into the bank's financial performance, strategic direction, and the governance practices and the future outlook from our side. I would like to thank you all for your continued support. The floor is now open for questions and answers. Thank you once again.